Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing. One, two, three. Say something.
Hi.
Hopefully your audio is recorded. And if not, the episode is ruined.
Hi,
If they don't hear you, nothing will change in the video.
but sometimes the spontaneous like come with jokes, so I can at
No,
least test
they hate
those
it.
jokes.
I've got personal messages that please don't let him speak and tell his dirty jokes.
Not personal, okay? In the stream itself, it comes. Thank God we didn't take that guy today.
Okay, one, two, three, action. Hello, guys. Welcome to New Society. I'm Nona Prince, and with me is
Manoj,
Manoj. What's your Twitter name? Twitter handle? The incompetent guy, right?
the incompetent visionary.
Ah, okay. And guys, today we'll talk about the season finale of The Flash or episode 3 of season 7, whatever you want to
Yeah.
call it. And yeah, man, initial thoughts.
Look, I don't want to be harsh. I love season 1 of The Flash, but this one was just me going, hmm? Sure, love, sure, very
They are
much
gonna
love.
flow. Did you notice that moment? We are the mirror mistress.
Oh, come
Them
on.
holding each other hands and it like
See, I think if
dude.
this was a shorter arc, right? If this was like a 3 episode or 4 episode arc, I would have been like, okay, this is fine. Like,
Dude.
because the story was like decent enough for me. But considering this has been going on for I think 10, 12 episodes, and this was the resolution, I was like, come on, man. Like he like oh, don't even
Where to
get
start
me
from?
started.
I think the plot was meh. Like out of nowhere, things are coming right, left. The whole reverse Wells thing. Oh my god, it
See,
just
you know what happened
happened
with
and
the
oh
Wells
great.
thing? You know what happened to the Wells thing? Like I don't know who will watch this in the end, but I don't know how many people will get this reference. What they did is, Sachin Tendulkar in his last few years, he could pick and choose which all series he could play. That's what they did with Wells. He's like, okay, now your particle, your vaporized, you can pick and choose whenever you want to come to the show.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
it did.
literally what they did in the
And
end.
I think this is post-pandemic. This is the post-pandemic
Uh-huh.
decision that they
I think,
changed the
yeah.
finale that will
Hmm.
bring Harrison Wells like this, and they.
True,
And
true.
I think
They
it
said
totally
that
shows.
initially it was supposed to be Reverse Flash, the
Yeah, there was some
finale.
reverse
Like,
flash gonna thing, but I think
yeah,
they changed that and the to fit Tom Cavanagh's demands or something like
yeah,
that because he's
probably,
clearly not happy with what the
probably.
writers are giving him.
Like it was nice to see him play Wells, like a
Yeah,
normal Wells, and
we always
all of the
wanted to,
scenes.
right?
Yeah, and all of those interactions were fine, but it felt like because the story was kind of pretty bare, I would say. Like there was no tension, no drama. It didn't mirror like the mirror mistress just sort of went away. Like she suddenly had a change of heart, and then she's
Yeah,
controlling it. You're like, look, this is the like okay, this probably was. I would say maybe this was weaker than season 5. If you're taking this as a season finale, because
okay.
season 5 had a Reverse Flash comeback at least, and they had that cool moment at least there. Season 4 had that tower thing, which utter nonsense. You could probably choose season 4 or season 6. Although
I
this is not a
think
season finale, so probably don't
yeah,
care.
I feel this was not that bad of a season finale, like considering it. Like I think. See now, okay, let's go to some positives. Of course, the Wells
No,
thing. Okay. I
it was
think
a
it's a
positive
way.
in the sense that it was
It's a
nice
better
to see him
decision
back.
than having
Yeah,
multiple wells. I think we are
true,
done
true.
with that. They
Yeah,
just it's done to death at this moment.
yeah,
I
true,
think
true.
this is a better
Although
way.
you literally had him explain why am I here, like this is what happened. That's why I'm here. Like
I think
it felt like a school.
even the whole explanation, like within 2 minutes, he explained everything, and we're
Yeah,
like, oh great, I always
and
wanted to meet you.
yeah.
And it's like after
I
two
don't think
seconds, run Barry, run.
yeah. I don't think you're the Reverse Flash. I have no bad memories of you being the Reverse Flash. Obviously, I accept that you are.
Yeah. And the interesting thing is that no one has knows him as him.
Yeah, yeah.
Even
That's true.
Caitlyn and Cisco, the person they
Hmm.
grew up with was Reverse Flash himself.
Yeah, true,
So they
true.
worked with him
I
always.
like that moment between Cisco and him where he was like, we don't even know each other. Like,
Yeah, it's
why are
like
we getting emotional?
how can we miss someone we don't even know? That is a
Yeah,
cool line. It was
that
kind
was
of
a
a
cool
meta in
line.
a way. It's like
and
we
it was
also
a
don't care of half the
true, true.
characters in the show.
Yeah. But it was a decent send off, like
Yeah.
all said and done. But it just felt a little off putting in the show. Like, why was this even there? And
Yeah.
then don't even get me started on what they did with Ralph. Like, they couldn't bring the actor back, so they.
Dude, you know what? Okay, I'm not gonna defend what he did in the past.
True, true,
The actor,
true.
see,
Yeah.
okay, I'm not gonna do that at all. But he's a changed person today. He apologized for
True.
what he did, and everyone on
Yeah.
set loved him. You know, he was a
Yeah.
popular actor on the set.
Yeah.
Now the whole your show is based on giving a second
Second
chance
chance.
to your villains. They can redemption,
Even his
and the
arc
whole
was
point of the
that.
show is that.
For what's his name? Elongated man. Like,
Yeah.
oh God, Raph.
His
character's arc was that.
yeah,
Like,
and then you
of
just
him
fire
really
him
being-
because there's pressure.
Yeah, like
Even do at least practice what you preach in the show,
true.
And I
Like,
think
see, when Andrew Kreisberg left the show, that they had good reasons for that. Like,
Yeah.
apparently he was a very toxic presence on set, and there are many people who said that maybe because him going away might have caused the quality of the show to dip down. But I'm totally cool with the quality being dipped down as long as the actors feel safe
yeah,
in their work.
that's
you
true.
know?
That's true.
But this was something different. Like, if he had done something in the workplace
Yeah.
and he had misbehaved with the actors or with the cast and crew, I would have been like, okay, it's a good decision to fire him. But first of all, you already fired him for something he did a long time back, and then you bring him in such a weird way in this episode. Just don't bring him back. That would have been better. Like,
I think,
this was
see,
so
I just want to,
off-putting.
at this point again, guys, we are not defending what he wrote and
Yeah, true,
his
true,
racist tweets and anything.
Yeah.
Not at all. It's not acceptable. But it's the circumstance we're talking about.
Yeah,
He is
true.
an actor who's apologetic of what he did in his, younger days.
Past. Yeah.
Your the whole idea behind that character in the show is that getting
True.
redemption, people can change for good. The whole the whole storyline for so many seasons is that on CW for all the shows. And then
Yeah.
when something like that in real life, when you have to finally do some practice something what you preach always, and you don't do that, and now they don't I don't they don't have any right over preaching me in the show at all. So I'm
It feels
like,
very
I don't
hollow.
care.
Now it feels it already was starting to feel hollow.
Yeah.
Like all of their, storylines and everything. Now it even feels more hollow because you're like,
Yeah.
what second chance?
Yeah, you're not
What-
yeah,
And,
definitely.
okay, I'm saying, okay, let's just take it to the side. Okay, they had to fire. Okay,
Yeah.
they had to. This was a decision. Like, they had to do all that, and let's just not get to the specifics of whether to fire him or not. If he even takes from this, like, why bring him back in such a way? Like, it was such a weird way. Like, they just brought him back, and they said,
I would say it was smart instead of recasting directly or
Like,
he has
just
morphed
don't
his
just say some lines in okay, he's now doing this case, and they could have just brought Sue back, and she could have said that he's dealing in something over here, something like that. So like their storyline made jack shit in today's episode.
I think it was
Like,
again
seriously.
rushed, right? Like it was
It
just
was very rushed.
they came in, now they were attacked and now
Yeah.
they're here and then they're gone. Like they didn't do anything in the
Ah.
episode. I think that's the
Ah,
issue.
Can we talk about the whole love thing between Barry
Yes,
and
we
Ryan?
can.
Like,
The paragon
I
of
have-
love. They made
I-
a joke of the Speed Force. Like
oh,
half the season we are like Speed Force is dead, Speed Force is dead, artificial Speed Force this and that, and now oh no, it's there in Iris.
see,
Are
I
you
never
kidding me?
felt their relationship, to be honest. Like, I never felt it grow organically because they never built it up in that way. In season 3, there were some good moments between them where there was that whole song that he sang for her and stuff like that. I'm just saying one thing. Like, in today's episode, it was probably a good time to bring back a rendition of maybe the song in a background music kind of score. They
Yeah.
didn't do that. I was waiting for because that is their song. They never brought that back up. Who cares? But I've never felt their relationship sort of be organic, and it's not the actors' fault. I think Candice Patton and Grant Gustin, they do a good job. Like, whatever little chemistry is, there's all of the actors. It's not really
Yeah.
in the storyline. It's
None of the
never
writing.
come from the writing. It's
Yeah.
never like I'll say, like, I felt that like what they did in Arrow with Felicity, in spite of it going down in season 4, towards the end, when I look at it now, when I look back on the show, I feel their relationship was much more organic in the end. Like, at least it felt like, okay, there's history, you could feel the chemistry between these characters because they've been through a lot, and you're like, okay, I understand that. Especially towards the end, like the last scene in Arrow, which had Felicity and Oliver like in that heaven sort of place, I
Yeah.
really liked that. I thought it was a very good ending. But this relationship, I don't feel it. Like, the whole Speed Force, it was literally like, we are the Flash now. Like, literally, that's what they did, and I was like, no. no. And there's even a scene where I think Allegra, that's her name, like,
Yeah.
boss, without you, we can't function.
Dude,
You have been functioning for 6-7 weeks.
who are you
And
to
more
say
than
that? Like, what is the credibility of you even saying that? I was like, so, oh
Oh, come on.
man, what is this?
I feel bad for like saying all those.
Dude,
But like,
like,
I even told no, thank God we didn't react to this. Because it would have been like it would have been such a like negative
you were just
reaction all
ranting. You're
across.
like, oh man,
Yeah.
oh, what, oh shit, again.
Like, I
Here we
think the
go
title
again.
of this title of this video is going to be negative. So at least people who feel positive don't click on this. Like if you love it, it's fine.
They will
Like,
click to dislike it. And I'm okay with
yeah.
that.
No, see again. I have to rephrase this again. If you like the show, if you enjoy, that's completely fine. Like all love to you. Like I'm glad that you get to enjoy this. But for me right now, the show is just in a place where I'm like, no man. Like every time something or the other annoying thing happens, like either Cecile does a mind power thing where she's like, oh, I feel this person. What did they do with Joe today? Like he was just sitting
Oh
in the
man,
room.
that whole arc. Oh. You know, I was
He
like,
sent Cecile
the
away.
moment they came on screen, I didn't even look
Yeah.
at it. I'm like, okay, let
Like
it
he
go,
sent
let it
Cecile
pass.
away. He sent Cecile away. 5 minutes back, she came back. Like
Such a
after the mirror thing
fake
got
tension,
destroyed.
you know, like throughout the episode.
No
He's slowly going
tension.
towards it. He's slowly going towards it. I'm like,
Oh my god.
dude,
See, I
that
think,
that music in that fight scene. Oh man, what are you
they
trying
brought.
to be?
Yeah, I know.
What is this?
They did that once in season 5, I think, or season 4.
Yeah,
I
they
think it
did
was
that
season
before. They've
5.
done this before.
Like where they had the gun shootout thing, where Barry didn't have his powers or something, and they did that with Ralph and Barry. Where like, it was a whole like shootout thing, and then because of that, then they started including this in like every action scene. Like even season 6
This was in
finale.
this. Yeah, in the finale there was this,
Yeah,
right? The whole
that
battle
was
between
split
everyone.
screen thing.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
whole
yeah.
split. That was so lame.
What is this? I'm watching a music video. Like really? And you
It
know
was.
that it's like such a small thing. The way that
Yeah.
even the characters enter, Cisco comes in, right? He
Yeah.
whatever he had, don't even care at that moment. You know,
Yeah.
he just does that, and then we got someone else also, and then
Yeah.
from shadow slowly Caitlyn walks out. It looks so off. Like just have a drop from the top or do something at
This
least
is the second
interesting.
time they got me. Like again, they were like, "Oh, we have brought the team back." I'm like, "Yes, everyone know." Only Caitlyn. I'm like,
Dude, forget about Captain Cold.
not Captain Cold. I thought maybe some more people might come. Like
Oh.
maybe the Nelson tomorrow might show up. You know, something more. At least Ralph, I thought. I was interested. Okay, maybe he might show up because it's the end of the world. Kind
At least if you're building something, oh, someone is walking out, it is make it epic. Like she walks in, I'm like, she's with
Yeah,
the black face, and I'm like, what is this? What is this build up? Oh
And can
man,
I just say that whenever Flash has done the city ending thing, like huge finale involving the city, has never worked. Season 1, it was all about the time. Like Reverse Flash wanted to go
Yeah.
home. That was the whole
Dude,
thing. And
that was
after
so
that, they
good.
did the city thing.
Yeah.
That was so good. But it was only a little thing. The city thing was just in the end of the episode. That's how it worked.
City thing? What was city thing? Yeah, that was the end
No,
of the
that
episode.
whole wormhole
Yeah,
came
that was
and
like even
stuff
the
like that.
like cliffhanger
Yeah,
kind of. Yeah,
fag end. You know,
yeah,
that's the
tail end kind of thing. Yeah.
Season 2, it was a whole race with Zoom. That was also better.
No, but
than
before
what-
that, Zoom got all the metahumans, right? They
yeah,
take over the
metahumans
city.
from
Yeah. So they
yeah,
kind
but
of,
it was
yeah.
still better than
Yeah.
what
Like that was not the
after
focus.
that-
That focus was
yeah.
Zoom. Yeah.
after that season 3, Savitar, the whole thing with Savitar and this thing, which I guess was okay-ish. I don't even remember that properly.
Dude, that whole
Season
you know they
season-
put themselves in the corner. Oh,
Yeah.
Iris is gonna die. Oh, Flash is gonna
Yeah.
like get killed after Crisis. Like, and they just don't pay that off. It's so
That's true, man. I like remember that scene where he thinks of all the things, all the love he has got through seasons, and they show one shot of Wally just
Yeah.
hyping him. I'm like, what? Where?
what love. Then why is not even here if there's love?
But what about his parents? Like his dad, his mom. Like I don't know what.
Dude, no, doesn't matter. TV logic.
Like I feel like that whole impact of his dad and mom is gone now.
Yeah.
Like that was
Dude,
something that like,
you know, the biggest problem in in a storytelling you can face is that the events that have taken place before has no impact on what you are doing today. You know,
yeah, true.
the what he did at the Flashpoint
The
thing he
last-
did.
Huh.
What did it change? Like today, why some things like that because of it? Nothing.
Thing
There's
is,
nothing.
see, they took the easy way out, right?
Not even Crisis. Like
Yeah.
there's no impact of anything. It's just from
Like,
season
today
one,
it suddenly
Reverse
came,
Flash.
oh, we had a crisis, and
Yeah, out
because
of nowhere. Oh, Crisis! Remember that
had a crisis.
2019 thing 2 years ago? Paragon of
Oh
Love.
my God. I
Now
just
we'll
want to say
take
one
it.
positive which I felt in the starting when Barry, like, he comes back to his normal self,
Yeah.
and then Cisco tells him that we understand you are not yourself, and I was like, okay, it's probably because they wanted to wrap the storyline up, or they would have probably dragged this fight for like 1 or 2 episodes, but like leaving that all aside, I like the kind of maturity from Cisco that let's face this together. You did a mistake. It's fine. Let's just move on. It's okay.
And I was like
That
so
kind of-
pissed again. Oh, I have no speed. Oh man, I'm done with this. No speed, no speed, no speed. Like,
And now,
Come on.
like, the whole Paragon thing also, like, Paragon, like, Chappal, I'm saying now.
we should
The
give
whole-
them that.
The whole thing with the whole Paragon thing in Crisis, I never liked that also. Like, the way how they did it. And even now, if you look at it, like, they gave Batwoman a very big role in that. Now, she's not even a part of the whole thing. Like,
Yeah.
it's very disappointing to see. Like,
I think
I
it's
feel like-
falling apart. Honestly.
it was such a good universe initially. Like, in 2014, 15, when Flash was introduced, then Legends came in. Even
And Arrow
Supergirl
got
came in,
worse.
different Earth. But then Arrow improved, and then Flash went
and
worse.
Flash and Dick Screen.
And then it'd be Arrow and Flash is literally going like this now. Ever since season 3, season 2 end basically like this. Because see, I think Arrow has been like not, I wouldn't say like continuously improving, but season 5 was good. Season 6 had like good elements. Season 7 also had good elements. Season 8 was terrific. So you could say it's like going upwards kind of. Flash,
I
like,
think they should learn that. Okay, we'll come to that, later. I just want to talk
Yeah.
about one of the, I think, best moment for me in this episode was when he talks with this Mirror Mistress, the villain.
Hmm.
What was her
Huh.
name?
Eva.
Eva. Like she talks about what have you done, Flash? What have you done for the humanity?
That was good.
That was
yeah.
such a good existential crisis for
Yeah.
Flash. Like,
Yeah.
yes,
Like,
I haven't done anything.
Yeah, I still, I was thinking like, I wish a better villain had spoken these words.
But I
That
kind of
doesn't
I kind of
know
like it because at least they did it. It's like something which
True.
every time comes in my mind, like what Flash does. Why he's not solving poverty? Why he's not solving
True.
food waste and all of these things. There's so many things in the
Yeah.
world. At least
True.
at least they address that through her, and it makes total sense. That she's willing to do good. What are you doing? You're stopping the good. And I think
True.
that's what there's a theory about that, how all the heroes, they just try to prevent the villain's plan to make the world a better place. Whatever their means
True.
is that, okay, here also at the end we learn that the means of this is like that was so bad, but again that same thing. But that was so good moment. And then Flash goes back, oh, we cannot defeat her. And then he's sitting, and then Harrison Wells come up, run Barry, run. I'm like, okay. And it never comes up again.
When he came back, he was like, we can't stop her.
Yeah.
For a second, I thought that must be a mirror Barry or something.
Oh,
Like, I
okay.
thought there
I
must be
knew
some
it's
twist.
not Mirror Barry.
But no, then like,
He's
it
like,
was like
it's sitting like this again. No, we cannot defeat her. Hey, Harrison Wells. Oh, okay. I learned to meet you. No, we cannot defeat her. Run by run. Okay, love and gun. It was so badly done, man.
I mean, considering last episode was such an improvement because they
Yeah.
focused on, I don't know, the titular character, I think.
Yeah.
Probably because of that. Like, who would
Yeah.
have thought that would improve the show?
Nice one. Okay, coming to the. Yeah. You want to say something?
Say,
I was saying
say
coming to
something.
the cliffhanger. I didn't understand.
So, like, that was a weird moment because during the episode also, you had Wells just looking to the side and being like,
I was like, what is he doing? What was this close up on his face,
I
looking
thought
here
it
and
was
making.
I thought maybe it's Reverse Flash or something.
You know
thought
what
it was like
I
like
think they're trying to make him Dr. Manhattan. It's basically that, right? He can live in any time. Kind of a god, kind of a creature.
But even that music mice or something like that, no, which was there that
Musical. Oh, I actually
he
really
was-
enjoyed that episode, but that was
yeah, but even he was like a god kind of thing, no? Who never came or showed up after that.
Yeah.
Crisis happened, he didn't show up. He was just like,
that was just one off. They got a lot of hate for that
But
episode.
yeah, I think that's. No, I like that, dude. That
I,
episode
I
was
I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. It
the
was fun. It was
songs were on
different.
point.
It was different.
It was different, and the songs were on point, man. And it
Yeah.
was fun to see everyone like singing and
And they
all.
both were in Glee, right? So it was a
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
musical. So
No,
yeah,
I
I
think
enjoyed
Joe
it.
Joe sang. I think Joe sang.
Joe is also
Martin.
Martin. They are
Yeah,
this, right? Broadway
Broadway. Yeah,
performers. Yeah.
Broadway. Yeah. He even went off there, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that was a much better episode than whatever
Yeah.
this was. Like I feel like the Mirrorverse had so much scope of what you could do that they didn't really explore that in spite of having all these episodes.
I like that the way it ended. It was not very cliche kind of a thing. I
Yeah.
liked the
But
villain
I was
changing
like,
and not
Iris,
great. I'm not saying it's great,
no,
but it's
no,
interesting.
but Iris was like, "What will you do now?" And I was like, "Shouldn't she go to jail? Like she messed up, right? Like messed up big time. Like
But she's
I'm
not a
just
human,
saying."
right?
Yeah, I guess that. Like I was like, obviously jail, right? But okay, no.
I
she's
think
going
that
back.
twist I really like that twist, putting her in an existential crisis. Okay, coming back to cliffhanger. I didn't understand that. I thought they'll show something else and just ended. Like
It
the
was
whole
like
thing went
they ran out of budget and they're like,
like
explosion.
yeah,
We took
literally.
it from season 1. So we just
Like
added
again,
some more
like
lightning.
every comic book thing has to have a beam going in sky.
It doesn't mean like more speedsters are going to be there.
I think it's what they tried to do in
Or
previous
was it
finale.
like a celebration thing? Like, yay, Flash is back.
What was that
Fireworks.
season 3 finale, right? Where Barry has to go in the Speed Force.
Huh.
And
they
there
get-
was a
yeah.
lightning kind of a thing happening.
And
which
nothing
was-
happened after that, right?
Something happened
What
like that,
happened
right?
after that?
Lightning was
Yeah, but
happening.
what happened after that?
No, he came back, right? With the beard and all, season
But what
4.
happened to the lightning? Like, did that have any
No, they
problems?
never called. Like, I think in the comics, it's that's how Godspeed came in, and the new
yeah,
the new
true.
storyline.
I read
And I
that.
think now they are trying to
Yeah,
do
I
that
read that.
again because Godspeed is coming as the new villain.
See, the thing about Godspeed is actually that actor, not actor, the character August.
Yeah, August Hart.
something. I
August
had
Hart.
written a fan film about this. So
Yeah.
August Hart, yeah. So basically, he's like a friend of Barry's, and something that his crime gets unsolved, like something which happened to his brother or something like that. So it's kind of that's how his plot goes, and then he gets. So basically, Barry knows him. Like he trains him.
I read a lot of news and all. So there's this thing that Eric Wallace really wants to bring Zoom back.
Okay.
You know,
So
and
the actor also.
yeah, of course, I hope so. And
I don't know,
secondly,
it might be some other show.
the Godspeed will be connected to Barry and Cisco, and it will change the dynamics between Barry and Iris.
That's what I'm saying. Like usually, Godspeed is someone who's very close to Barry, like the character August Hart. Like because in a way, like I see it like how he trained Kid Flash, like that he trains Godspeed. But then I'm like the white suit and everything should probably be a giveaway, right? Like don't train.
I think we are finally gonna get real Godspeed, not just the fake thing they were doing, which again never came back. Like
Godspeed can be a very interesting villain for like the Flash.
Man.
I think it could in a way bring it back to season 1. I think like because just reading the comic book run of Godspeed, I think Jeff Johns wrote that. Like nowadays he's not in good names, but Jeff Johns. But
okay, coming something I want to talk about. Considering this was a finale kind of thing. Now next episode will be like something fresh, something new. They had to.
True.
They got to wrap everything for last
Yeah.
season, and now they're
True.
fresh. They're ready for something new, and how it was intended to.
Hmm.
Now knowing they got pandemic to think more about it, how they want to go about it. They have lesser
True.
episodes, only 17 more left for this season. That means like 5 to 6 episodes, decreased from last
True,
like
true,
normal
true.
seasons. So now
But no crossovers, and also we have to take
yeah, no
that also.
crossover. So there's not something like that.
Yeah.
They have to tie all of these things. So what are your expectations? What you're looking forward to? Like what do you want?
So, in the next episode, Godspeed comes in. He
No,
runs in.
not next episode. Just in general
No,
from
what
the
I'm
show.
saying, like next episode, Godspeed runs in, and then he kills half of the cast, and then the tension and all this.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
kidding,
interesting.
But I just want to like say the point that the cast has to be like you can't have so many cast members
Yeah.
in this way. Like just have maybe like Barry is there, Iris is there. Let Barry do some CSI work for heaven's sake.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Like,
do some investigation. Like, his office is empty. Like, nothing happens. It's filled with rust now. Like, they easily
we
broke. The
got to
door is
see that
also
today,
broken
right?
now.
The
Yeah,
door is
the
also
door.
broken.
I think they just recycled that. They were like, "Arey, we need a place for Joe to get do his arc, very important emotional arc. Let's find something." So that's when I want them to like just maybe like season one. Barry was doing his work, and like I didn't in season one I didn't mind the villain of the week format because it was interesting because he was investigating cases. It had that element. I want them to bring that back, in a way. And even Iris, like develop a journalist story in the side. Have her do something a little bit more interesting, like rather than this whole Mirrorverse thing that they did. Like if you look at Superman and Lois, like what they're doing there with Lois Lane, I really like her like so far,
Yeah.
like in these 3 episodes that they've done, I really like. So I just hope they like give her like something concrete to do, like which they were doing, to be honest. Like season 6 starting, she was doing it. That's how she ended up in that trap. But then once she ended up in the trap, I felt like it was literally like flatline her character arc. Like then she was like just waiting over there to escape. And okay, she had some challenges, but still, like it was not interesting enough. So I would like them to like focus on that. Even Joe, hopefully would like assist Barry, hopefully. And I want to get the I want to see, like, is Barry the director of Central City yet? The police department?
What?
No, right? The director of the Central City Police Department. He's not. He's still not the director, right?
Singh.
He's Singh
Singh,
is still the
right?
director, right? So I would like to see Barry maybe
He's the
progress
captain
to-
right now.
Yeah, I would see Barry's the captain right now.
No, Joe. Joe is the head
Who is
of
the
that.
captain? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I would like, because I think Barry is supposed to be the director of the Central City Police
Yeah, he's
Department.
in the CSI department. He's the head now.
So I would like to see some progression at least there, like
Some
something
intern
related to-
joins, some
yeah,
like,
something related to the workforce. Like, and maybe use, if you need such a big cast, use them more efficiently. Like have maybe Cisco also work with the police department. Like do something a little different.
man,
Like,
I just hate it. Like they just introduced three characters, and by the end of the
Dude.
season, all are in Team Flash. It's like, they're enrolling
I
them.
forgot that guy, that new guy who's like a replacement for Cisco, but he's still
Yeah.
like now you
Chester.
have both of Chester. Yeah,
Makes
now you
no
have
sense.
both of them. Like
And
why do you
this-
have both of them?
And this no in cricket it happens, right? The sharing the workload.
Right now it's happening with the Indian team right
Yeah.
now.
What do you
They
call
don't know
it?
how to play.
Rotation
Oil
policy.
with-
It's
Yeah,
like
rotation
one
policy, yeah.
week Cisco, 1 week that guy, other week Allegra. It's like I think the problem is they have done everything with Cisco and Caitlyn. How much story arcs can they give them unnecessarily? How long will this go? So they don't have anything to write for them. Then they cannot write them off because
And
they are
they
so
can't-
fans
they can't
love
think
them.
of anything innovative to do also.
Yeah.
There's another thing, like why did they have to increase the cast? Like before just Cisco, Caitlyn,
Because
Stardust, it was-
they don't have story to tell, right, for those characters. They don't know what to tell. They cannot write them off because fans love them. The moment the news came out that they're leaving, people were just against it. So they have to have him on screen, and then they are getting new characters so they can tell new other stories. I think with Chester they want to get into the black issues or maybe something like that, or someone
But I
who's
think but just think about this, like you have not pushed Cisco's character in any direction, like where you're like it could be worthwhile.
see, he had that his brother issue, then his powers and all, he left it, then his girlfriend thing and all of that. So
He
I'm like,
left. So now what he's using is artificial powers, I'm guessing, right? Like
I
I even forgot.
I think
was like,
that's one
what-
of the biggest thing, I want them, I just want them to think smaller. Get Cisco some job, let him add politics,
I would
add
love to
politics
see
to
the
it,
police
add,
department.
I don't want Iris go writing about criminals or something and getting stuck there and the Flash saving her. Let her write about it. Like, is journalism that only? Even
True.
Louis Lane is like, oh,
Right.
she's writing about criminals, that's it. There's nothing other than that. Write about politics,
Right.
write about something else.
Right.
I want to see the city going against the Flash. I
True,
want to,
true.
you have so many things you can
have
do.
someone run for mayor.
Yeah. Oh, what happened there?
Dynamic.
Oh, I lost you. Okay. You're saying? Have someone?
Yeah, challenge the dynamics of the show a little bit. Like, just don't keep everyone in the same status quo they were already.
Yeah. Change the status quo, change the dynamic. That's what Manoj
Yeah.
was saying, guys. I'm sorry if you couldn't hear him. We're having some technical issues.
Yeah.
Yes, and I think what he said is that change the dynamic. I want to see Flash struggling with his job and being Flash. Now he just flash anytime, he just goes anywhere. There's no routine. And
Bring
just
it back to season 1 a little bit.
get rid of this science stuff. Make it smaller. Why is that every new episode you are creating something next level? So help the world. Go help the world
And
with
then we
that.
forget about it next episode.
Remove poverty from this world, you know. People are dying without food. Improve that if you're so scientific genius. That
Yeah, and
don't
next
make
episode,
every
they don't even
episode
talk
and
about
everything, you know, you want to make. It's like they just bring, oh, it cannot happen. Oh, we'll do this. I made
Yeah.
something. Every day you make some science stuff. And all the science, I'm like, just reduce that. If you cannot do something, you cannot do something. Find a physical manner to it. You know, if you want to create something big, take 5-6 episodes at least. If you're working on something, it's not like one night. That's just bad writing, and you know, that's not a good
And
writing.
that doesn't even come back.
Yeah.
Like,
What
that's
what was the
main
point of
thing.
that ball? It was just, I think that is a good one. At least that is the good one. You use that in an episode, but other things are just anything.
Anyway, like, and again, we had to apologize. If you like the show, it's completely fine. We didn't even think we would rant so much about this, but all the emotions just came out.
And we are doing it for half an hour.
Yeah, it just came out. We are
I
very
think
sorry.
I think it's time to wrap up.
Yeah.
We'll meet you next week with the 4th episode talking about it. And don't forget to watch Superman Lois. Our Zack Snyder Justice League is coming out. And a lot of stuff. So get ready, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See ya.
Bye.